When the bowel screening kit came, check it straight away. Make sure that you open that up, you read the instructions, and do whatever it says. Because if I'd have left it a bit longer, I don't think I'd be sitting here today. Just that word, cancer. It's a scary word when you know that it's you. It's got your name on it. Together, we can stay healthy and strong for ourselves, for our family, for our community, and most of all, for our culture, so that our culture can make it to another 65, 70,000 years. So I'd encourage everyone, no matter who you are, use that kit. Do the test. If found early, nearly all bowel cancers are treatable. It's easier to do than people might think. I mean, how you think about it. Take this test and go and do this test. Screening. That means go and do it. That's for your own good and for the good of your family. Then you can tell your family, I done this because I love all of you. I love all of you because I need to be here for you. And that's what we need to do. We need to be here for each other. Something like this is going to save your life. Think about that.